What's up, Sweathearts? Welcome to the warm-up to No Doubt About It by the Empire cast from the TV show Empire. Let's get started. Right foot, walk it up to the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. In place. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. Right, 2, 3. Side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. V-step. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the only change. Instead of here in place, when we go up to the mirror, we come back and do a V-step here. Now the arms, we groove on the way up. Arms are free here. Then we go side, side. So they're just scooping out, back of the palm, pa, pa. 4 total of these. And then we point up, and we sing, and then we take it back. Groove, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. V-step. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's no doubt about it. And we're going to have a little no, no, no. Facing the front. We take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up, up. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. V-step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Next section, we're going to pump the arms and start working the hips. Now, you can add as much booty on here, but by the time you get to the 3rd and 4th verse, we really want to see that booty going. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips come around, corner, corner. Arm comes around, hit, switch, hit. So as the hips come around, the arm comes from the back, and we make a nice strong triangle here, and we hit it here. Pa. Let's see both those sections to the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right arm, right hip. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To get ready to walk to the right. So this song actually starts with the chorus with what you just learned. And then here's the first verse. We walk to the right. 1, 2, 3. Together, back left. And you're just grooving here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have a double. It goes hit, together, hit, together, hit, together, hit, together. And the arms will just open, up, open, up, open, up, open, up. Again, repeats. Walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hear those doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. We just went 5, 6, 7, verse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Groove with those arms. 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull for 2. Pull and slide. Pull and slide. Pull and slide. Pull. Repeat 4 times. And again, 4 of those double pull and slides. Next we have knee, knee, pump, pump. Knee, knee, pump, pump. Knee, knee, pump, pump. Knee, knee, pump, pump. And we're going to take the hands. The legs are going to go side, double, front, side, front, then single, front, single, front, single, front, single, front. Arms are pumping just in front of you. Double, then singles, single, side, single, side, single, side, single, side. Let's put those 2 parts together. Knee, 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 pump, pump. Knee, knee. Arms are just grooving here. Pa, pa, as it's a warm-up. Then we have the doubles. Double, front, double. Singles, single, pa, single, pa, single, pa, single, pa. Now there's one more part to this verse. We have a little turn to the right. We go 1, 2, 3, pop. And we go left foot. Left and cha-cha-cha. Right and cha-cha-cha. Left and hop up. Then we turn back. The left. This time starting with the right foot. Right and cha-cha-cha. Left and cha-cha-cha. right around we go. So, arms are just out as a turn as you jump. Rock. You can have a little hop here if you want to. Otherwise, you can keep it right here. Hop, hop. Jump to prepare. Turn. Right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left. 1, 2, and around. Pivot turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chorus. Facing the front. Let's see that section. We just did singles 2 times. We turn. 1, 2, 3. Hop. Left. Pop, pop, pop. Right. Pop, pop, pop. Left. Hop. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walking. And on those pivots, you can give some arm and hip attitude there too. So we just came around 5, 6, back to the top. We walk up, side, side, 4 times in place. Take it up. Now back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3. V-step. No doubt about it. Back into those booties for 8. Hips around for 8. Verse 2. Same thing. We walk 4, 3, 2, and 1. Double pulls. Pull and slide. Pull and slide. Pull and slide. Pull and slide. On the second verse, we only do that one section, that whole time, one time. On the first verse, we go back into those walks. Again, knee, with the pumps and 4, the doubles, turning that body, singles, pa, pa, ta, 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 into the turns, pop, left foot, pop, 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 right foot, ta, 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 left foot, jump, prepare, and 1, 2, 3, right, 6, 7, 8, left, 1, 2, all around, pivot, 5, 6, 7, 8, chorus. Great, there's one more breakdown in this warm-up, and we take it up to the mirror. We go double right, double left. Again, arms are free here, double left. Then we go grapevine, 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap. Right, left, right, left, and then crazy legs, ta, 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 and breathe. So I'm gonna face that to the front, and we'll show that part one more time. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nice and slow breakdown. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, grapevine back. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, right, left, left. Crazy legs, tap, 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 tap. Hold, right back into those turns. One more time with the cha-chas. Pa, 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 cha-cha, pa, 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 cha-cha, hop, turn, right, pa, pa, left, pivot turn, and chorus one more time as we take it up to the front, we take it up to the sky, we take it back, no doubt about it, and we're going to end with that booty at this point really working, and a nice strong arms for 8. That's your warm-up. You'll get sweaty. Let's dance it.